Welcome to the channel Maths for Graduates. Today we'll learn what are analytic functions. In the previous video we have learned about differentiability of function. Now it's time to learn analyticity of function. So let's start with the definition of analytic function. A function f of complex variable z is analytic at a point z0 if f of z is differentiable at z0 and as well as in some neighborhood of z0. Okay, from the definition you can conclude that if f of z is analytic at z0, then this implies f of z is differentiable at z0. But converse is not true. That means if f of z is differentiable at z0, then this does not imply f of z is analytic at z0. Now let's see an example for that. We have function f of z equals to modulus of z square. Okay, so this function is nothing but x square plus y square. Okay, so its real part is x square plus y square and imaginary part is 0. Okay, now let's find its partial derivative. Okay, so del u over del x is 2x and del u over del y is 2y. Okay, and del v over del x is 0 and del v over del y equals to 0. Okay, now del u over del x at point 0 comma 0, this is 0, and del u over del y at point 0 comma 0 is also 0. Okay, now you can see del u over del x equals to del v over del y and this equals to 0 at point 0 comma 0. Okay, and del u over del y equals to minus del v over del x and this equals to 0 at point 0 comma 0. Okay, so you can see CR equation is satisfied at point 0 comma 0. Okay, and function u and v is continuous and its partial derivative is also continuous. Okay, hence f of z modulus of z square is differentiable at point z equals to 0. But f of z is not analytic at point z equals to 0. Why so? Because f of z is differentiable at z equals to 0 only. That means there exists no neighborhood of z equal to 0 in which f of z is differentiable. So from definition of analytic function we can conclude that f of z is not analytic at point z equals to 0. Okay, so now this video ends here. If you want to learn the subject of complex analysis, you can buy our handwritten notes which is specially designed for exams like CSR Net, GATE and more. It is available only for ₹50. This note contains lots of concepts and problems. So if you are interested, you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Thank you. Thanks for watching.